Welcome back to Hack Hustle Hub, where we believe in hustling smarter, not harder. Today we're sharing 3 must-have apps that can supercharge your daily productivity. Whether you're a student, a busy professional, or just looking to get more done, these tools are game changers. Let's dive right in. First up is Notion, a versatile all-in-one workspace that lets you create notes, manage projects, and collaborate with others seamlessly. You can set up to-do lists, Kanban boards, or even a personal wiki. The best part? It's highly customizable, so you can tailor it to your exact workflow. Whether you're tracking habits or planning big projects, Notion has you covered. Next on our list is Todoist, a powerful task management app that helps you stay on top of your daily to-dos. With its intuitive interface, you can prioritize tasks, set due dates, and even delegate tasks to others if you're working in a team. Todoist also offers smart scheduling, suggesting the best times to tackle your tasks based on your workload. It's perfect for anyone who wants a clean, focused way to organize their day. Finally, let's talk about Forest, an app designed to help you stay focused and avoid distractions. When you start a focus session, you plant a virtual tree that grows as long as you don't leave the app. If you exit to check social media or play games, your tree withers. It's a fun, gamified approach to the Pomodoro technique, making it easier to resist the urge to scroll mindlessly and keep your productivity high. Wondering how these apps work together? Plan your week or projects in Notion, track your daily tasks in Todoist, and stay focused using Forest. This triple-threat approach ensures you're organized, on schedule, and distraction-free. It's all about hustling smarter, not harder. Those are our 3 must-have apps for daily productivity. Give them a try and see how they transform your workflow. Let us know in the comments which app you're most excited to try, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more productivity tips. Until next time, keep hustling smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching Hack Hustle Hub. Let's hack life together.